What's going on, YouTube? Well, as you can see, I did pick the 1962 Chevy Impala SS. So I am not sure if I'm going to do it like a pro touring custom type of style with the wheels. I like the wheels and stuff, but I'm not sure I'm going to do this car in this style, or if I'm going to do it with maybe like some Supremes, you know, maybe lower it and do some sort of a paint job or whatnot. But I've kind of picked the color out so far, but you know, I'm still indecisive of what I'm gonna do. So let's get started, and I'll show you what's in this box. I love the box art, so the box art's awesome. So you guys seen the last video, and you guys know that I did put the Fairlane on hold. It's not over. It's just on pause. Okay, it's coming out immaculate still. I getting the body done, and it'll come along. It's just gonna sit there for a little while because I've been wanting to. I've had the itch to do. I've had the itch to do an Impala, and I have the 40 going, and I really want to get that Fairlane restored. So the body on this, let's zoom in here just a little bit. It's got a couple little lines on there. Nothing really crazy. Maybe a little one there, not too much. My hands are a little dirty because I've been working. And this is a nice clean body. So it's gonna have barely anything to clean up. So I will say the body is really nice. I think they retooled this kit, so if I've done my research correctly, let's show you. I'm not going to open the chrome, but it's got a couple chrome trees, and it's got the grill in this one, the stock wheels. I think this is the bottom piece for the bottom rocker, if I'm not mistaken. It's got all the chrome trim pieces and stuff in here. Pretty cool chrome tree there. It's got two more. It's got, pretty sure one's for the custom version and one's for the original. Pretty sure. The two rear bumpers and stuff are the same, it looks like. So you get two of these. And then this is different. I think one's for the custom and one's just a stock one. I don't know which one's which. There's the custom wheels. This is probably the custom one. Air cleaner and stuff like that. Some hubcaps. Another air cleaner. Looks like there's a couple of the same air cleaners in here. Chrome headers. Looks like that's part of the dash, maybe. Hey guys, I'm using the tripod again. What do you think? Chassis is nice. I like them when they're two-piece, but this is nice. It's clean, it's crisp. What I like about it is it doesn't have any of the copyright stuff in here. It doesn't have anything molded in, like the drive shaft and the rear end and the fuel lines and the brake lines and all that. I like this. I like the way they did that. Interior bucket. I like this. Everything's separate. I like it because it's easy to flock this stuff. It's pretty nice. What I don't care for is how these are molded in, the wires, which I always sand them out. So I always sand them out and make my own wires. So if anybody watches this channel all the time, you guys probably know that. So The seats, really nice and clean seats. Really nice, crisp, clean. These are buckets. And then you get the bench. Seat backs, the bench seat. It's pretty nice. I don't know what one I'm going to do yet. Everybody likes a bucket car. Not a bucket, but you know what I mean. Bucket seat car. Who wants a rust bucket? Alright, check it out. Exhaust. The steel wheels, that's for like the... I think this one, you can build the old race version too, so yeah, that's what it is. It's at the roll bar, stuff that we won't even use. I know I ain't building that one, so... Yeah, pretty nice. Engine halves. Hold on here. Yeah, but it's good. It's good to have a 409 in it. Looks to be. A lot of detail. I don't know if you can see it, or does this help? I like that. These are probably the exhaust I'll use because I'm not going to build a race car. I'll probably just build something like a nice little street car. And if I go lowrider, I can still do some street performance stuff in the lowrider, but 409 valve covers. Yeah, that's a lot of detail. The door cards there. The dash. I noticed there's a lot of detail into the dash. There's extra parts for it. Let's see what this hood's like. Yeah, this hood's pretty nice. Doesn't have anything really sunken in it. Just a little bit. I just don't want that ghosting through. That can be a real problem on hoods, is when the bottom side goes through. Let's see what the decals are like. You can see it's got the race car decals and some rotor decals. I like the Ohio plates, kind of cool. Pretty neat. And seeing that we're not going to use a lot of these, they'd be good for like other race builds and stuff. I do like a lot of the badging. The gauges, nice, very nice. I don't even know what that is. Can't tell right now. It looks like an under the hood type of deal. Yeah, I like this a lot. Gives you a bunch of tires for this kit here. The glass and stuff, that's all separate. I like that. Gives you like a ton of tires, but I don't even know if we'll be using any. If I don't use those wheels on here, they'll be good for something else for sure. So, well, you got to see what's in the box. I'm definitely going to build this, and I was thinking about, well, before I get off the track here, this is the colors I was thinking. I might change my mind. I always do. I never know. I'm shaking it up so you guys can see it. Shoot. Thought about doing this is like a, it's like a pearl white and like a pearl purple, but it's like actually a carbon steel, but it's really kind of a purple. I thought about doing these two colors, the roof and the body. I thought that'd be cool. If I can do those two colors, like the roof, the white pearl, the body, the purple. And then if I put it on Supremes, it's gonna kind of look kind of cool. Maybe I'll do a design in the roof. I don't know. Who knows? But I forgot I had this. I've been wanting to get a wheelies for a while, and I actually have one in my collection that's been sitting in there for a while. Obviously, I won't build it like as a Curly's gasser, but I'm gonna try to maybe find some cool decals for this and do it the way I want. I'd have to find some new rear tires for it. Maybe we'll do a what's in the box on this later. This is what I don't like about this, is it has a Wise Guy rubber company on there. I don't know if you can see that. I think that's kind of dumb, but whatever. I mean, everybody knows that this is an awesome kit, and if I can find some sort of gas or decals or something, it'd be kind of cool. I'll probably build that. But we're gonna get this all prepped up, the body all done. I always paint everything first so everything gets to dry really nice and solid. And if I gotta do tape lines and stuff, it's gonna take me a little while. So I'll be working on this in the 40. And somebody got a race car out there. I might even mess with the body on this 66 a little bit, but because I hate leaving things set, but whatever. All right, guys, so thanks for watching this crap and putting up with my crap, and see you in the next video. You guys all take care. Sorry the video was so long. Bye.